tell you, it's hot out here. Burning calories. Baby, it's so hot. Let me tell you something. It don't make no sense how hot it is today. Out here burning calories. Damn car. Cleaning it out. And guess what? It's hot as fuck. It's hot today. It's real hot, y'all. Look how dirty my car is. Trying to clean it out. It's so hot. It's ridiculous hot. I'm so burning calories, so it don't make no sense.
Did you say bring your trash bag?
Girl, if you don't go on that side and get all that trash, you're gonna need a trash bag in a minute. I just told you y'all have all that stuff in my seat. While y'all keep stuff in my seat. Repeating myself. I don't know why you pulled that down. The camera had fell. All that trash back there. I hope this shit stays. Trying to fix it yourself don't do no good. Mad trying to keep this trash up. Sure, I gotta go on the other side and try to get all the damn trash up. I know this shit ain't gonna stay. Hopefully. Hopefully. Damn tape didn't work. All right. 4 to 6 hours. Wow. All right, it's your girl Queen back with another video trying to fix my car. I hope it worked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bye.